What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to fix your Skyworth TV if it won't connect to Wi-Fi. So basically, if you're having any issue with your Skyworth TV, whether it's the Skyworth Android TV or the Skyworth Google TV, and your Skyworth TV is unable to connect to Wi-Fi, or it connects to the Wi-Fi but there is actually no internet, or in situations where you're trying to search for your Wi-Fi network but your Skyworth TV is unable to find it, or even cases where your Skyworth TV keeps disconnecting from your Wi-Fi network, this simple tutorial will help you fix any of these issues on your Skyworth TV. Now I'll be taking you through 3 solutions that will definitely work out for you, so you can go ahead and try any of these 3 solutions, and trust me, one of either of the 3 will definitely work for you. Now the first solution is to simply go ahead and unplug your Skyworth TV from the wall socket. So just unplug it from the wall socket, whether the TV is on or it is not on, just make sure you unplug it. And then once the Skyworth TV is turned off, you want to go over to the bottom of your Skyworth TV where you have the power button. Usually there is a power button just below the Skyworth logo on your Skyworth TV. In some models of Skyworth TV, you might actually find the power button at the back of the right hand side or the left hand side of your Skyworth TV. But then just go ahead and look for that power button, and then you want to go ahead and press and hold that power button for about 10 seconds. So just press and hold for 10 seconds, and basically what this will do is that if there is any power surge that is causing the Wi-Fi of the Skyworth TV not to work properly, basically it is going to drain that power surge and your Skyworth TV will most likely start working properly. So just press and hold for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you want to head over to your wall socket. Make sure you plug your Skyworth TV to your wall socket. This time, once the TV turns on, you want to go ahead and check your Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So if you have like a home Wi-Fi network, just go ahead and check if there is actually any issue. You can try connecting other devices to your home Wi-Fi network and see if it actually works properly. And you can as well just go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket as well, and then plug it back to the wall socket after about 5 minutes. And once that is done, you want to head over to the Wi-Fi settings of your Skyworth TV and then try connecting it to a Wi-Fi network again. Trust me, this time your Wi-Fi network will most likely be working properly for you. As you can see, mine is currently working. But if this solution does not work out for you, another thing you can actually do to fix your Wi-Fi network not working on your Skyworth TV is to simply head over to the Wi-Fi settings. This is basically our second solution. So come over to the Wi-Fi settings of your Skyworth TV. You can just go ahead and open up the Wi-Fi settings or the internet and Wi-Fi settings, and then from here you want to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi network and then turn it on once again. Click on OK to turn it on, and then finally what you want to do is, if your Skyworth TV is actually able to find the Wi-Fi network but cannot connect to it, or you're having any other issue, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and select your Wi-Fi network and then just navigate to the Wi-Fi network, and then you just want to continuously scroll down and then find the forget network menu over here. Just go ahead and click on that and then click on OK. Now this will automatically disconnect your Wi-Fi network from your Skyworth TV, and now you can try connecting both devices again and see whether it will help fix that issue for you. So basically you can go ahead and select your Wi-Fi network again, then proceed to enter the password of your Wi-Fi. And trust me, most likely this will fix the issue of your Skyworth TV not being able to connect to your Wi-Fi network. My final solution to fix your Skyworth TV not being able to connect to Wi-Fi network, or any other issue like your Skyworth TV connecting to Wi-Fi network but there is no internet access, basically what you want to do is to head over to the date and time settings of your Skyworth TV. So come over to the settings over here, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the system settings. Select that and then come over to the date and time settings over here. Now at this point you want to make sure that your date and time settings is actually set to auto network provided time. Make sure that this is not turned off, because once you turn it off, the date of your Skyworth TV might be different from that of your Wi-Fi and might cause the internet not to work properly on your Skyworth TV. So make sure that this is always set to auto or use network provided time. So basically it is just going to use the date and time provided by your Wi-Fi network. A bonus solution that you can also try is to just go ahead and update your Skyworth TV. So you can just go over to the system settings of your Skyworth TV, come over to the about option over here, go ahead and select system update. If there is actually any update that your Skyworth TV needs that is most likely causing the Wi-Fi of the TV not to work properly, this will fix that issue for you. So make sure that your Skyworth TV is up to date and you're good to go. these are basically some of the things that you can try to fix your Skyworth TV if it does not connect to Wi-Fi internet. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.